Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting. I appreciate y'all being here at the channel today. And for you folks that are new, for you folks that are finding us for the first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you find the information and content beneficial, please hit that like button as well. And to learn more about me, learn more about my company, please check out the links below. And I would point you initially to our courses section, where you're going to find the Gym Management Playbook. And the Gym Management Playbook, this was specifically designed to help you shorten that learning curve, help you maximize sales, help you maximize bottom line profitability. So go check it out, see if it's for you. Hope to see you there soon. So with that said, let's get into it today. Our topic today, I've got a good one for you. Our topic today is how to make $1 million in your gym. How to make $1 million in your gym. And the thing is, you want to make it as soon as possible, right? If you're writing $100,000 a month, you can do it in 10 months, right? How can we compress this and do this as quick as possible? How to make $1 million in your gym. I'm going to give you 9 things to look at. Okay, 9 things to consider here. So number 1, become a thought leader in your market. Become a thought leader. Put out videos. Put out podcasts, put out blogs, and do it on a regular basis, okay? Get as much information out there. You want to become that leader, that industry leader in your marketplace. Videos, podcasts, and blogs. It's the first place I would go. This can establish the foundation for this. Now, the thing on this, the content's usually the biggest challenge I think that most people have. But what I want to suggest here is talk about things that you experience every single day. Okay, you can take videos and convert them into podcasts. You can take, say you can take a YouTube video here like what I'm doing, and you can put this over on Anchor, and Anchor will show up in Spotify. Okay, and so you can take YouTube videos and just really have the same thing in a podcast. And everyone likes to take in information differently. So this allows you to reach the audience that likes to watch, likes to listen, likes to read. So I want to suggest become a thought leader. If you're an individual salesperson, do this yourself. This is one of the great things you can do to really get the word out and position yourself as an expert at what you do. This is number 1. Number 2, you want to start looking at passive income streams. Look at passive income streams. Now, some of the things I want to recommend here is, and this is one of the things I see a common error on, is on our websites. Most websites, they're pretty good online brochures, but treat your website, like it's a storefront, just like your physical gym itself. People are walking in, well, they're going to your website. You want to hope capture leads, and we're not really talking about capturing leads here on this video, but we're talking about creating passive income streams. Have an online membership portal. Have your videos set up. A person can join online, and for $10 a month, they can have access to hundreds and hundreds and thousands of videos of how they can work out at home, expert advice from trainers. You might even live stream some classes from your gym, but it's all passive income. You get 1,000 people that join, your online membership for $10 a month, then that's money coming in every single month. Sell supplements online. Okay, same thing. Okay, sell retail, sell apparel online. You're going to wake up in the morning, and they used to call it mailbox money, right? Well, you can go now, it's email money, okay? You go in, you wake up in the morning, you log on, here's revenue that came in that day, okay? It came in overnight, okay? You want to get passive income streams going. Make sure you get that set up. Number 3, we want to make sure we're upselling customers, okay? Whether it be online, making sure they're notified of potential upsells, okay? I call the second sale, the third sale. In your gym, person buys the membership. Mary, how would you like to get your results twice as fast? Now we show them private training. As they're leaving, hey, now we need to get you some cool looking gear, okay? Because what we know just from the data is that 20% of your customers will pay more if you do nothing more than ask. 20% of your customers will pay more if you do nothing more than ask. Okay, so make sure you have an upsell strategy in there. It's kind of your sales funnel, so to speak. Okay, number 4, whenever possible, over deliver. Whenever possible, over deliver. Okay, and I would say this for clubs. One of the things that I would suggest everyone do, if you're an individual salesperson, do this with everyone you sign up. If you're a club, a manager, an owner, get this going immediately. But everyone who joins your gym, if they become inactive, every day we want to pull a member usage report of people who have used our gym 4 times or less the previous 30 days. Call them, because we know that interaction, if I have an interaction with you, you're 20% more likely to come in. But I want to over deliver. I want to give the customer more than they ever bargained for, more than they ever expected. Okay, over deliver to them. Okay, tip number 4. Number 5, conduct a competitive analysis. Look at every club in your area, every option for your customer, online, apps, whatever it is, okay, brick and mortar, what are the options for your customer? Do a competitive analysis. Even if you're an individual salesperson, look at how other people are doing things. Look at how other companies are doing it. And what you want to start to look for is, what can you bring to the market that's different? Okay, what is your differentiation? What makes you so different? Okay, why should I join with you? And it can't be, oh, I give great service, I'm the friendliest, we're the cleanest, because everyone's saying that. Whether it's true or not, everyone's saying it. And you have to really be able to quantify, what makes you different. So do this competitive analysis. Okay, separate yourself, because when you do this competitive analysis and you do effectively create differentiation, that's how you eliminate competition. And then consider, along with that, now you're marketing, now you're prospecting, start looking at an uncontested market space. Start talking to folks that nobody else is talking to. Okay, and this opens the doors even further for you. Number 6, stay focused and positive. Stay focused and positive. Now, the positive, that's going to be a choice. Okay, choose to look for solutions. That's what I would suggest. Continually look for solutions. Be in the solutions business. On the focus part, this for a lot of folks can become a little more challenging. But say on the focus part, let's just say that in terms of goals. Here's our goals. Here's what we want to do. We want to make this $1 million in our gym. Okay, we want to stay focused. Here's our goals. Here's what I want to suggest for you. Okay, is every morning when you get up, write down your goals. Every single morning. When you finish your day, write down your goals again. Because you want to keep these at the forefront. It's very easy to get off track. It's easy for all the things that happen to us to pull us off track. You keep writing them down, you'll stay focused. Every first thing in the morning, write them down. Last thing at night, write them down. And an additional little piece I would add here for you, if at any point during your day you experience disappointment, that's a great time to write them down again. Keep these goals at the forefront. Stay focused on them. Don't allow them to drop. Okay? You have to stay intently focused on what these goals are. And I have found those are some of the best ways to do this. Number 7, sell globally. Sell globally. And this comes back to your website. Here's what I found to be true. Nearly every website that I get a chance to look at for a club, about half their traffic is coming from outside their market. About half their traffic is coming from outside their market. So when people go to your website, if all you're doing is selling memberships, you're missing it here. Okay, have online programming that you can sell. Okay, where they can buy a membership online, they can access hundreds and thousands of videos and training information, and no matter where they live, what they do, they can access your information. Okay, it's a great way to do it. Supplementation, you can sell that online. Retail, you can sell online, but do it from think globally here. You want to sell to anybody who goes to your website. We would like to be able to sell them something. Okay, and then finally, number 8 here, look to acquire other gyms. Look to acquire other gyms. This is a great way to exponentially grow this, and you can acquire the assets of gyms, and in many cases you can do this for nothing or little amount, at least out of pocket. Okay, and research the channel here. We've done a lot of videos on how you can do this. We do this frequently, actually, in terms of marketing in local areas and helping to acquire and take over existing operations. But look to acquire other gyms. I like to acquire gyms that are struggling, because you acquire gyms that are struggling, you can get them for a lot less dollar amount, and if you know what you're doing, you can get them turned around pretty quick. Okay, and so with all that said, the last piece of information I would give you here is make sure you're constantly testing and you're constantly experimenting. You kind of want to be a mad scientist here a little bit, okay? The only time I wouldn't test or experiment is if it's a turnaround situation. I want to go to what historically has worked best. But we're trying to make that $1 million, or trying to break records, or trying to do the big numbers. Continually test. Continue to experiment and look at other industries, what are other folks doing, and how can you adapt that to what you're doing. So 9 ways to look at here to make $1 million or more, and likely more, in your gym. Which one of these are we doing right now? Are we doing all of these? Okay, can we do a better job of them? Take a look at them and see which ones that you can improve upon to take your business, either as an individual salesperson, as a club manager, or a club owner, to that next level. So folks, my name is Jim Thomas. My company is Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here at the channel today. Look forward to seeing you all in that next video.